It's me Pavitran here. Yesterday, what are the levels which we have discussed and how's the reaction? We'll just go through quickly. And price was trading somewhere around 25.40, I think. Yes, somewhere around 11 o'clock. I said if somewhere the recent levels, somewhere around 25.70, if it breaks and closes, then it can go to 26. 70 will be the next resistance. Even if that closes, then 28 is on the cards. And on downside, I clearly mentioned that it should first break somewhere around 25 or 25.10 or 25 has to break, and the main region is 24.70. So these are the region you should be looking out for, because that was the region which it's continuously taking support over there. And what had happened is that after somewhat or 11 o'clock, it tried to come down, but again it got rejected from lower side and it started to rally upwards. See if you can see the rally. It was facing little resistance somewhere around 25.70, and it broke successfully, and it closed also happened above the recent high. What was the recent high which is mentioned? Yeah, somewhere around 22.30. That was the recent high. 25.70 or 80, that odd region. After that, I said next resistance will come only at the big green candle, somewhere around 26.70. If it close above 26.70, then we can expect another rally on a buying side. Like I said, it tried to close above that, but it's constantly feeling the selling pressures in the above region, and it's always trying to come down very hardly. As usual, trend is short term bearish for me. What are the levels you should be looking out for? The same for seller, for a strong sell to continue, the break of recent low somewhere around 4 o'clock early in the morning, that low should get broken. It is somewhere around just a minute. I think it was somewhere around 61, I think. So 25.60 it has to break. And then what is the crucial support region? 25 will be the crucial support region. Even if 25 gets broken, then 24.70 is a very crucial one to break. Even if it's sustained to break that, then 22.5 is on the cards. On upper side, what you should be looking out for. So right now the temporary resistant region will be somewhere around 26.20. If you can notice here, this is the region it got rejected. Here it got rejected. After that it successfully closed and we made some nice profits here, and even here it made. So I'm expecting 26.20 will act as little resistance. After that, what is the region you should be watching out for? This close about 26.70. If close about 26.70 happens, then 28 will be on the cards for me. So this is what the levels which I will be watching very closely, and hope you can even try to take trade based on the levels. Just when a price reaches to that level, just look for any rejections from upper side. If it moving towards a resistance, if it's going towards support region, just look for any rejection from the lower side. If you find anything, then you can just take entry with that recent rejected low of this candle. It might help you. And that's it from me today. These are the levels. Just keep watch on this and take trade accordingly. Thank you. Trade cautious. And one more thing, the API data which came is negative for me. Expectation was somewhere around 5 billions, and it was the actual data was somewhere around 8.5 or 7.5. I can't able to remember that. So what's their expectation is that storage is getting more, so there is possibility of price to drop further down. We'll have to check around 8 o'clock what's the inventory actual data will be coming. Just look out for that. Thank you.